So what's up with this car? Do you know the setup?
I don't know shit. Big cam, 85.
LS3.
No, L99.
L99.
That's it. Automatic.
Are you gonna spray nitrous or no?
Nah, we're not gonna spray.
Okay.
I'm actually kind of done. It was pretty close. I might just add timing in there.
Alright. 435, first pull.
Timing 28 and a half, didn't pick up anything, so I'm gonna go back in timing and send it.
$552, not bad.
No, it's not bad at all. So I might add probably 2 more degrees and then that's it. See what it makes. Yeah, is it? Not bad. Not bad.
And it's pretty hot today, so
yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah, intake air temps are like 128, 130.
Yeah, that's really good.
Hell yeah. Caesar sauce.
That's too much sauce.
How hard is it to get on the brake?
It takes about 4.5 seconds.
Coolant pressure is perfect.
1 pound?
I bled it off a bunch though. So.
But I mean,
but you know it's not making
if
it.
it
Right.
if it was
It would
have just skyrocketed. So it's good. Duty cycles at 77.
4 pumps, man.
Oh, you got 4 pumps?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Damn.
I'll turn it up a little bit more and just to make 13 and
I don't care. How many pounds was that?
that's 29.
Yeah.
One more or two.
Go up
two
like
more.
32.
Yeah, I'm gonna just go up a little.
I mean, at the track it'd be nice to run 30 on the scramble. Yeah.
Boost curve.
Right.
Out.
It did flatten out quite a bit.
So that's 34 pounds.
94 pounds of boost?
34? Honestly, it didn't pick up from 30 to 34. So we'll see around there. Oh.
That's, I don't know what the fuck that is.
That is TPS or what?
Yeah, don't worry about that. That's your G meter. Okay. Go to up here, go boost Mustang, and it has all the. There you go.
0.8?
That's
There's no way. Not even 101?
It's happy.
It's not even 1-to-1. It's still got more turbo left in it.
Yeah, but I went from 30 to 34 and they didn't pick up anything.
It's got a bunch of dome.
Maybe something else.
I'm thinking it's lifters.
It's got to be more in.
What lifters
Because you're
are in
at
it?
42 dome right there.
What lifters are in it?
Just
Morale. No,
But
they're-
not link bars, right?
No, but they're the $700 race ones.
With springs in the gate? Like a 3-pound spring?
Yeah, like 3.
Yeah, because you can see the boost. So you should go up and then it kind of drops. Right?
Yeah.
So it actually saw 36 at one point.
Yeah.
And then it tapers off to 33.4.
We were just talking about this last night
What?
with the Johnsons.
Yeah. But I don't know. The back pressure says it's good. I don't know.
That's my sensors fucked up. Why is it taking so much dome if it's only got that much?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. I'm thinking turbo.
Yeah.
Pretty confident. Yeah, I mean, not only that, you back it off with the data on the dyno.
Yeah.
So I went up almost 5 pounds and didn't make more power. Hold on, let me compare it with another log.
I'm playing happy. As long as they got 1250, I was gonna be happy.
This thing with this power is gonna be a riot. Yeah. Did you weigh it yet? How much did it weigh or no?
32 with me in it.
So look, 1291. Maybe 1291.
You're like a $1.80?
Yeah, 190, 195.
So, yeah, 33 when it made 1291. 33.
That's perfect.
And then it drops to 28.
Is it LS9 block?
No, 6 liter.
So I think the limit is like 33 pounds.
Mhm.
So just don't go past 33.
Perfect.
Because the turbo just.
That's 10 more pounds than I was running before.
Okay, so I'm gonna just set up the safeties.
Hell yeah.
So it's a wrap for this one today?
At H&P, you can have a passenger.
I don't think they'll let you have passengers, do they?
I don't know. I was about to say, I'll pay for a ride, man. pay for the gas money or something. For a second ride, you know, you don't get that too often.
Actually,
Yeah, Zach, I was thinking, probably needs a 98, right?
Yeah.
But it's fun.
Isn't it just like a regular Garrett, like a
Yeah, it's a Gen 1.
just a Gen 1?
Gen
Well, so
1.
was it a Gen 1 or a Gen 2?
Gen 1, it's a GTX 55 Gen
Okay.
1. It's not the old GT 55. It's actually the X with the 11 blades or whatever. So,
All right.
yeah, I'm playing happy. I mean, that's fucking 150 more
So, we're at
horsepower
turbo.
than that 92.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a big gain once you get up that high. No, for sure.
Yeah, I'm thinking the sensor
It may not be.
You know what time it is, Frank?
It's too hot for all that. Like, comment, and subscribe, though.